FULAIM X5M Wireless Mic unboxing and test. Got that coming up next. Bill here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at FULAIM sent me their X5M wireless mic to go ahead and test. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox the FULAIM X5M wireless microphone here. See, there's detailed specifications on the back. Diagram of what's in the box on the side. Let's go ahead and open it up. And the user manual is on top. Now this is one of the more detailed user manuals, and it does spell everything out very clearly and concisely. I'm very impressed with this. They answer a lot of questions that you may have about the wireless microphone in the manual. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the case here. See, it has that nice plastic wrapped around it here. And follow the arrow. Get this taken off here. This is very similar to DJI's. You have the two transmitters and the receiver here. Of course, when they're in the case, they are charging. Very similar in appearance to the DJI mic and Mic 2. Now here's the receiver. And here's the other wireless mic or transmitter. And the on-off switch and record buttons there. That is for a audio adapter. If you wanted to hook up a cable, hook it up to the cable. We'll show you here in a second how that works. And that fits on the back right there, and you would fit that into your device. And there is a lightning adapter right here for Apple devices. Having a hard time getting that out. Okay. And now we'll get the USB-C adapter here. And that fits in there perfectly. And your buttons and your functions on there. Okay, now let's go ahead and charge up the wireless microphone here. And see, it's charging. And when they're in the cradle, they are charging. And we'll set that aside. Okay, it comes also with a USB-C cable and also two wind socks here. There's only one that's showing. And also here is the audio cable adapter that we had just looked at. And that's a USB at the end there, USB-C. You can take a look, and that's what we just showed you, hooking up to the receiver. And you can hook that up to your phone. Now to go ahead and set up the wireless receiver here, you put this on the back of your phone. You go ahead and select video here. And when you do, you want to select more and pro video. And here's a close-up diagram of that screen recording on the phone right there. And when you see microphone USB, you know it's working. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the first test with the X5M wireless mic. Okay, we are testing the X5M wireless mic here. Let's take a look and see how well it does. I'm going to go ahead and set this up in the camera here. And from everything I'm seeing, it looks like it's recording well. We're going to take a little walk just to make sure it works. I'm going to go in front of the camera here. And I'm walking to another room here. And I am currently in that other room. And right now I'm turning around in that other room. And I'm heading back out towards the camera. And I'm coming up to the camera right now. And I'm walking past it. And I'm going to walk to the other end of the house here. And I'm in the laundry room of the house. Now I'm turning around. And I'm going to head back to the camera. Passing a couple other rooms on my way here. And let's see how the test of the mic turned out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a recording only from just using the transmitter from the X5M. Very simple process to download the recording. You just hook that up to the transmitter and then hook that up to your PC and download it. Okay, I turned on the built-in recording function on the X5M noise canceling microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, we are testing the X5M wireless mic here. Let's take a look and see how well it does. All in all, the X5M is a very capable wireless microphone system. I was very impressed with the sound quality and the range. An item of note, it does not have as many options as the DJI Mic or DJI Mic 2. Question of the day. What did you think of FULAIM X5M Wireless Mic unboxing and test? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day.